ChatGPT is becoming part of everyday workplace productivity. Teams are using it to draft emails, summarize documents, analyze data, create reports, prepare presentations, brainstorm ideas, support customers, and manage routine tasks faster. OpenAI's 2025 Enterprise AI Report says ChatGPT serves more than 800 million users every week. And OpenAI also reported more than 7 million ChatGPT for Work seats in 2025. That is why ChatGPT for Workplace Complete course matters. This course helps you understand ChatGPT basics, prompt writing, workplace use cases, file analysis, productivity workflows, privacy risks, fact-checking, AI limitations, and responsible use at work. Inside the course, you get practical lessons, real workplace examples, prompt templates, AI safety checklists, downloadable study materials, and step-by-step guidance. After completion, you receive a certificate, free reference resources, and support materials you can use professionally. Because ChatGPT is not just about asking questions. It is about using AI clearly, safely, and effectively in real workplace tasks.